Hello friends, in this video we will install utorrent in Windows 10 machine. So first of all, search for utorrent and just click on this first link, and after that we have to click on this free download link, that is utorrent classic. So just click on that, and after clicking on that, just we have to download this basic free torrent client. So just click on that, downloads now. So I'll also provide the link of this page on the description. So here you will see it is downloading. So after the download is complete, we'll just go into that folder and you will see this is the download which we have done. Just double click on it. One pop-up will open which will ask you for your permission. Just say yes to that, and now that installation wizard will open here. That is the installation wizard. So it is showing the version of the utorrent. Just click on the next here. Just click on the next here also. This is the license agreement where we have to say I agree. And this is the things they were saying, that we don't want this opera, so we'll skip that part and we'll say next. And we want all these things to be installed in our computer, that is create a start menu entry, create a quick launch icon, create a desktop icon. So we'll say next, and we also want all these settings, so we'll say next here. As you can see, the installation is complete and it is saying that launch torrent. So we'll say finish and the torrent will be launched. So here is the home window of the torrent. So this is the installation procedure of the utorrent. So in the next video I'll show you how you can download the movies or the games which you want by this torrent. So this is all about the installation. So thank you for watching.